Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video, I would like to share on you, this is the second video on hatching. So in this video, I'll be explaining on the difference between associative and non-associative hatches. Okay, so let's try. So I have prepared two boxes here. So one is labeled non-associative and one is associative. Just to differentiate between the two types of hatches. So I've explained a little bit about associative and non-associative hatches, but I'd like to explain it more in this video. So first of all, let's try creating a hatch first. So I will try picking a pattern. So this ANSI31. Let's pick that one. Then I pick on here. First of all, let's redo that again. So I delete this one. Pick on the hatch. Turn off this associative button. Okay. So let's put the scale of 10 on there. Okay, so this is an associative. So we close that one, and then let's do another one. H, enter. Okay, so same pattern, but now we turn on the associative button. Turn on. Okay, so now we have created two type of hatches. One is a non-associative and one is associative. So let's see what's the difference between the two. So what I want you to do is to try this. Try to, when you click on the hatch, okay? So try the associative first. When you click on the hatch, you can see that you can actually adjust when you adjust the box here, you can see that the hatch pattern actually follows the form of the box. Yeah. So it's very useful when you are drawing like something organic, like a circle or a ball or a lake or something urban, and you want to adjust the floor area, and so you don't need to redo your hatches. It will just follow the new form that you did. Okay, that is for associative. But for the non-associative, you can see when you click on the boundary and you adjust it, the hatch won't follow. Okay. So in order to adjust the hatch, it's actually you need to adjust it on its own. Yeah. So what is it used for? So for the non-associative hatches, it's useful for something that have like a basic drawing outline that you won't really change so much. For example, drawing of bricks pattern on a wall that is quite standard and won't really change, and so the non-associative hatches is good for that. While the associative one is more for organic form. Okay, that's all. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.